All right, let's move to the vending contract.
Kristen, do you want to take the vending contract? I believe this is a second read.
Sure, this is the second read. As a refresher, the contract for the district's vending machine is currently with Canteen, and that is set to expire in July. The district reached out to 5 vendors, and 2 of them submitted proposals, which are attached in the board book. It's board book page 28, I believe. This contract is a revenue generator for the district, approximately on a normal year, $18,000–19,000. The district's legal counsel has reviewed the contract. I just received the final contract today, right before the board meeting from Canteen. So I do need to review that one more time just to ensure that they've made all of our changes. But I am recommending that the board award the contract to Canteen, which is for a 3-year contract.
Do you have any questions on that? We walked through this last meeting as well.
I'd like the board to notice that in the resolution, it does have final, pending legal counsel review. So that if there is something that Kristen catches, that there is room for the Kristen to work with legal counsel to make any final changes.
Okay, I'll read the motion. The Board of Education, Township High School District 208, Cook County, Illinois hereby approves.
You went on mute real quick.
I didn't. Somebody put me on mute. I think they were trying to get rid of everybody but me, but whatever. I'll start over. The Board of Education, Township High School District 208, Cook County, Illinois hereby approves the vending machine contract with Canteen pending legal counsel review as presented in the May 26, 2020 board agenda packet.
Second.
Second by Mr. Jacobs, and then Mary Ann.
Ms. Ruska,
Yes.
Mr. Jacobs,
Yes.
Ms. Sierra,
Yes.
Ms. Towner,
Yes.
Ms. Salas,
Yes.
Mr. Durkin,
Yes.
Mr. Smithing.
Yes.